Hey everyone, so the following was all made with the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope it's informative to you in case you're thinking about buying a camera like that.
Hello and good morning everybody. We are starting this video off a little bit different, actually on the way out to the mountains right now to meet up with a friend. I do have some more, as you can probably see in the background, some more progress made on the van build. I've got a bed now, I've got a couch, like futon thing in there now. Everything is just super simple now, and I'll make another video dedicated to that. But today is hiking with an old friend from college day. Well, finally got here, and my buddy is going to be taking a little bit longer, so I've got some time to kind of walk around and explore on my own. This is a beautiful place here. You got really nice restroom facilities. I'm about to go check those out. So anyways, we're going to leave a vehicle up here at the top and then drive down to the bottom, and we're just going to do a hike to the summit and then drive out to our next destination. So I figured I would walk around and explore a little bit, since still waiting on my buddy up here. There was some confusion. He thought that we were going to go to the trailhead. I said yesterday that we were going to meet at the mountain. So anyways, here I am at the top. He's wherever he is. Hopefully he makes it here. Cell phone signal's a bit spotty, but I figured that I would take this time to actually go ahead and show you what's going on with the van build, what's been done, what's been planned, and what's happening next. So here we are inside of the van. By the way, this is being filmed with the GoPro Hero 9. That's how I'm making this entire video. I just got it and I want to test it out a little bit. So GoPros are notoriously terrible in low light, and we're gonna see how this new one compares to the old ones. Anyways, here is the van. You know, you got your regular drivers, you know, in passenger seat. But then, and it's all messy right now, you got this futon from IKEA, actually. And the way this works is there's actually legs back here. Don't know if you could really see it down there, but they kind of extend out, and there's a lot of wasted space here. So I'm going to engineer a platform for this to actually sit on, so that way it can sit closer to the wall, but still pull out and turn into a bed, so that way guests can stay here. Speaking of beds, I got a bed platform here. Now this is like the most basic system that you could have. So we've got just, I don't know if you can see it or not from under here, but we've got these ramps. Now these ramps are made to like put a lawnmower and ATV on the back of your truck, but I measured out the width of the ProMaster and it worked great. And then I went out to Lowe's and had them cut me a piece of plywood to fit right on here, and then ratchet strapped all that down on both sides, so that way, you know, it's not going to be falling off on me on the road. And then the mattress is kind of just there. And anyways, then I got this simple one here, so that way on this trip my friend can have a place to sleep. The insulation is actually coming in the mail, and I got the wood stove kit coming in the mail. The plan is next to the door here starting at the bed and then kind of working towards the mid door. That's where the kitchen area will be. And that's also where hopefully the wood stove will be. Maybe, you know, I don't know if I'm going to have enough counter space or not. We'll see. Anyways, it's a work in progress. But just as you've seen with the Prius, it doesn't have to be perfect to start out. It doesn't have to be this like Instagram ready, you know, premium van build to go have fun, go camping, go travel a little bit. And I think that chasing this ideal, perfect thing just has a lot of pressure associated with it. And, you know, when you're first moving into a space like this, you might not exactly know what you want. And doing it this way, one little bit at a time, will actually allow me to figure out what I want, figure out how I want the layout exactly designed, you know, where I want this and where I want that. Anyways, I'm rambling now, so we'll just wait until my friend gets here. All right, this right here, this is Devin. We went to college together, and yeah, he was actually down here preaching and everything, and trying to tell people about the college. And now we're gonna go on a hike. So he's actually on a goal to hike, what is it, the tallest peaks in all the
eastern states.
All the eastern states, tallest peaks. And so today we're doing Mount Sassafras, tallest peak in South Carolina. Let's go. So we very excitedly started walking on the trail, which is really cool because this white blaze also indicates that it's the Appalachian Trail. But what's not really cool is that I accidentally put us on the trail going in the opposite direction. So we're headed back now, and yeah, I guess we'll see the trail soon. All right, so this right here, Sassafras Mountain, that's where we've been supposed to have gone the whole time. Yeah.
We're glad we're back on track.
We got flashlights now, so we can make it up to the top. Well, hopefully we won't need them. We'll see. Well, we're at the top of the first like little hill right now. Now keep in mind, like, we've already been hiking for what, like an hour, hour and a half?
Yeah.
Because we went in the wrong direction. Totally my fault. But now we're heading in the right direction. First little hill here, we've gone up about like 300 feet or so, nothing crazy. But how high is the summit?
3,600 feet.
3,600 feet. So we got some feet to go, and you can tell it's kind of getting a little darker, but we got to make some good time now. All right, so we are back at the trailhead. We actually turned around because we don't know if we're gonna have enough daylight left, and we'd like to see the view at the top. So we're gonna try to tackle this tomorrow and see how that goes. But for now, we'll probably like go get a shower and go to a restaurant or something.
Over and out.
All right, so unfortunately I left the GoPro in the van, and we ended up going out to eat. We went to a really great place down in Greenville, South Carolina, and came right on up to the summit again, and we saw some unbelievable stars. Definitely go to the Instagram if you want to see some of that stuff. Anyways, we're gonna settle in for the night. We got the heater going, Mr. Buddy heater down here. We got sleeping arrangements down there and up here. And anyways, it's in the 20s outside, but it is nice and warm in here. All right, here we are. We're back at it. We woke up this morning. It's, you know, it's beautiful. It's really cold though, but it's gonna be a really clear day for hiking. Anyways, we're gonna now attempt what we didn't do yesterday, and we're actually gonna start at the bottom, take the right trail this time, and then go all the way to the top of the tallest peak in South Carolina. Take two. So here we are, almost at the top. Definitely shed a few layers. But yeah, it feels good to finally be hiking this mountain instead of just driving up of it. There's like a certain reward that comes from actually putting forth physical effort for something. Anyways, see you at the top. All right, well, we made it to the top. Hike successful. Day 2, take 2. So I'd call that a win.
That was awesome.
Yeah, time for some lunch.
Anyways, we went out, got some dinner, and we both went our separate ways. And anyways, that was all filmed with the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So let me know in the comment section below what you think of this footage. None of it has been color graded, and all audio is used from the internal camera microphone. Almost forgot to mention, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment. Got some more videos coming out about the van build. Anyways, you're gonna want to see that.